Hi guys, and welcome to WannaGoBiking. So this is day 2 of my bikepacking trip heading east. I'm still in Niedersachsen, Lower Saxony, and yesterday I stayed in a very roomy little apartment. That was pretty good. Today I will be making my way further east, obviously, towards Vechta and beyond. And yeah, it's all new territory to me, so that's always going to be fun. And there should be one fortified little city along the way as well. So yeah, the weather should be good. And then my goal for the next couple of days will be Hannover. And then I will be heading back home because I have a bit of a toothache. And so I think I'll have to go back on Sunday and go and see my dentist for a root canal. So that's going to be fun. And then hopefully I can continue my travels either from Hannover to Berlin or Prague or something like that. For now, I'll just start riding and see you along the way. Happy days! One of the many things I love about Germany is there's always a bakery somewhere, and I just bought myself 2 little sandwiches and I paid $3.90 for the both of them. So yeah, that's a very good deal. I think in Holland you were paying double easily. So I'm now in Bergen, and I actually have some footage on Bergen when I did the Transrapid video. So if you're interested in Bergen, then I suggest you go and watch that one, because yeah, I'm not going to do another round at the castle. A beautiful castle, I have to say though. All right. Studenfeld. Well, so far today I have to say I'm very pleased with the route that I've selected. Well, in conjunction with Komoot. Nice rolling landscape, rural tracks, and yeah, very nice. Much better than yesterday. But yeah, sometimes you need these stages in order to appreciate the next one. I think in an hour or so I'll try and find some coffee. I'll report later. Alright, cheers, bye. Well, just learned that it's a bit further to Vechta, another 20 kilometers, but that's alright. Should be there then at 2:15, and it's a bigger city, so plenty of options, certainly for coffee. And there should be, I think it's a fortified old city as well, if I remember correctly, so that should be interesting. Alright, let's continue. Universitätsstadt Vechta. Right, so they have a university here. Well, that should liven things up. So I've arrived in Vechta, never been here before, so I'm just going to have a quick pause here, then head into the proper city centre, I think, and have at least a coffee and hopefully a cake or something, yeah, to eat. So see you later. So, just left Vechta, had a nice cake and coffee, and yeah, it's a nice little town, 30,000 plus inhabitants, and they even have a small university here, a recent one in fact. Now, as you can see, I am going through some woods. I would expect more of this for the remainder of the day. Alright, lovely, in the shade as well, fantastic. Well, I don't know why there's so many cycle parking options here. Maybe I'll be finding that out shortly. And I think there's a highlight 1.5k from here, so maybe that's it. Well, we'll see. So this should be my highlight, though I'm not sure if I can just enter. Oh. Ring wall Arkeburg. Well, let's just check it out. Well, to be honest, it was a bit underwhelming for me, but maybe I didn't spend enough time to, because I thought there would be some walls or some remnants thereof. There were some information shields all over the place, so maybe I should have heated those a bit more. But it's alright though, it was a nice distraction. I'll just get a move on. Alright, see you later. Not my favourite. Well, that looks like a perfect bench for a little pause. Yeah, I think I'm only what, maybe 15k from the finish? Yeah, a bit more, 20. Okay. That means I should be there around 6ish. Perfect. So good in time for a beer in the garden, I think. So I'll just go on for the last bit now. I see too many of those these days. So we used to have a lot of these in the east of our province, Groningen, and in Drenthe as well. But yeah, no more. Well, on the final stretch, but I stumbled upon my arch nemesis, loose sand. Oh, it's so sketchy. No fun whatsoever. Right, I think I should be about 6k away from Ehrenburg, and I think the place I'm going to has also a restaurant, so yeah, it should be sorted for tonight. But anyways, thanks for watching again. I hope you enjoyed this one. Yeah, it was, I think, a bit more interesting than the one I did yesterday, in terms of landscape, that is, for me. Yeah, other than that, not that much to yeah, to report really. Yeah, tomorrow I will be going towards Hannover, decided. It's another 100k, and then take a train back on Sunday. Fortunately, I have to cut this one short, but I'll probably be back next week near Hannover to finish off what I started, and well, we'll take it from there. Alright, enough babbling. Thanks for watching, enjoy your rides, stay safe out there. I'll see you later, cheers! Well, lucky me, I was just in time to get a beer and some crisps, because that's what you need after a 100k plus ride. Yeah, I do hope actually the place I'm staying at has reservation. I think I saw that in the facilities list, but well, fingers crossed, because I don't think there's anything else here, and I don't really fancy cycling another 5 or 10k, but well, should be alright. Okay, final push, see you later.